Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we have got Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. We've got issue 27. In issue 27 we get parts for the left and right shoulders in this one. So we're going to be doing a bit for both. Let's take a quick look inside the magazine before we start. As always, make sure these parts are in there. You get your assembly pages. The Sci-Fi Cinema Legend is a film called Predator. Great film. If you haven't seen it, go and watch it. Real World Science is camouflage techniques and invisibility cloaks, and what's coming up in next week's issue. So let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we got our parts out of our packaging. These are the parts that we get. We get these parts from a sprue, this big metal piece here which is for our left shoulder, and we get these two black ratchet joint parts here. We're not going to be needing this part this week, so we're going to put that to the side for now. We are going to be needing this, so we're going to move this. We're going to be putting these two little black things on each side of here, so let's start doing that now. You need to get yourself some glue. I've already got some put in here, so let's get them on. Let's put the first one on. Just put your glue around the edge of each pin. Just like that. You want to get a good helping of glue on there. I'm going to put a little dab in between each section as well, just to help it stick. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's drop this in. Just give it a little turn, you'll feel it dropping. Like that. So that's that side done. We can do exactly the same now for the other side. So let's get the first blob of glue on. And again, we're going to put it in between each one just to make sure it holds it for us. Just like that. I'm going to drop this one into place now. Just like that. And that's this part done. We can put this aside for now. We're not going to be using that anymore this issue. Next it wants us to bring in this piece, and we're going to be cutting these two pieces off the sprue. So let's get that done now. So we're going to cut one, two, that's that piece off. One, two, just like that. Mine's got a little bit of a knob on it. I'm just going to take that off before we continue. Just like that. There we go. Have we got one in here? No, this one's fine. Okay, so there we've got these two pieces. What it wants us to do now is we're going to get some more glue, and we're going to be taking this little piece here, and we're going to be putting some glue in this piece, in this side here, and in this side here. So let's get some in there now. One first bit, and the second bit, and this is going to be going on the back of here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there as well, just to help it stick, just on this pin here and this pin here. You're just going to drop that in, just like that. Give it a little squeeze, push. That's how it should look, just like that. Lastly, we're going to be bringing in the piece that we had from last week, the rest of our right shoulder, and this piece here is going to be going on here, and we want to have it facing up the way like that. So it fits quite nicely, but we're going to need some glue on there. We'll just put the glue on here, but as the same with the others, I'm going to put some glue on here and in here. So let's get the glue in here first. And someone here. I'm putting quite a lot of glue on this piece because this piece isn't going to be touching anything else, so I don't want it to fall off and be able to lose it or anything like that. So there we go. And we want to have this facing up the way, just like that. Give it a push just to make sure it takes to it. Just like that. And that is this week's issue complete. Very nice. Nice little detail there. So that's going to be going that way. Just like that. Very nice. Let's take a look at what's coming up next week. We continue the right shoulder and we are doing some more bits for the left. So I think this is going to be the backing plate for our shoulder. So yeah, join me then. That'll be out Wednesday. Until then, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.